Alright, here's a typical raw meal for Charlie. It's 1.5 chicken quarters cut up. It's about 1.5 pounds, and then 2 ounces of beef liver, organ meat, a little bit of solid gold feed meal. Good to go, fast and easy. Charlie, crate. Heel. Okay. Come on. That's all she wrote. Look up the good juices in the bottom and he's all done. So as you can see, he doesn't take long to go through the small pieces, so that's why I usually give him halves, chicken halves, or leave the quarters uncut just to get a little more chewing action. But overall does great. Feel free to feed your dog raw. Costs about the same as quality dog food. I think I spend $40–45 a month on food, and you can't buy a Nova for that even at that price. So good luck out there. You all done, buddy? You get it all? Alright, good boy.